Welcome to our free YouTube creator training library brought to you by the Senior Tuber community.
So what are you going to do with your affiliate companies once you have it? And that's what's important. The best thing you can do with it is you can make videos about it. You can share it on your newsletters. Now, also, how much can you make? It's really tough to say. You can make, like I said, you can make 50% on some of these courses and pennies on some others. But what will really determine how much you make is how much you put into it. If it's sitting on a list like my list, and that's all you're doing, you're not going to make much money. But if you say, okay, I like TubeBuddy, and I'm going to make a TubeBuddy library of how to use TubeBuddy, and I'll be talking about TubeBuddy in 10 videos, chances are I'm going to do well. And I'm in TubeBuddy, and it's a residual payment. Some of them pay you once. If somebody does a course, they pay you once for the course. In some things, they're residual. Every time somebody renews, you get paid. That's something for you to make a decision whether you want to represent both or one type of sale when you're doing affiliate marketing. So you could make a few dollars a month to a few $1,000s a month, depending on your efforts and the company that you choose and the commission. All right, so how to organize your affiliate partners. Like I said, you can have the spreadsheet. If you can't do a spreadsheet now, at least sign up for things and then save them in your bookmarks on your computer. Just save them. That's for years. I only had them in my bookmarks and I kept them there until I was ready to build something, which was the spreadsheet, which saved me because I need to have all that information at my fingertips so that when I'm sharing, I don't have to wait, say, give me 10 minutes and I'll get it to you. It's right there. So have it at your fingertips is really good. It's really important that you stay organized with it. So I recommend simple tracking any way you do it. I might even do a journal eventually where you can track your affiliate marketing so that you know what commissions are coming in. Now, that's something I'm about to start differently now is I want to track just affiliate marketing income so I can see. It's nice to get those checks and I could have it on a spreadsheet, but I want to be able to see it right in front of me every month, what came in and what's still coming in.
Thank you for watching our free YouTube creator training library brought to you by the Senior Tuber community.